So hi, Corrine, thank you. You just finished the 7-day writing retreat here in Spain. What was it that appealed to you and sort of drew you into actually book the writing retreat?
I think it was about getting space away from my day-to-day environment, and I love coming away, and I love the idea of being somewhere warm, but just a different space to work in where I could relax and be creative.
Mm-hmm. So you want to be relaxed and creative, and what is it you'd hope to get from it, and did you get it?
Yeah, I mean, I'd hope to get some support, mentoring, input from experts who've been there, done it before, but I also wanted to relax and have fun, and I think we've had that in spades. And I felt, I've had time to be really creative, we've had lots of laughs together. It's been really nice to connect to people on a similar journey. I think, it's not just me that thinks I can't do this or I'm stuck. So that's been really nice, and it's probably gone into that was one of my aha moments, is I can actually do this, and I am going through a similar journey to others.
So when that's one of your aha moments, is that you can actually do this and you're on a similar journey, what was your biggest aha moment?
My biggest aha was the working out my own process, taking myself through my own process. Because I'm quite structured and analytical, I'd spent a lot of my time doing the analytics and the planning and the structure, and that's important, but I've kind of now found my rhythm, so I'm now going to do my whole thing of looking out to the sky and the mountains behind me and then coming back into me. So I think it's that biggest aha is I've got a lot to tell, I've got a lot of knowledge, and I can structure that knowledge, but I can also put me in my book, and that's what makes it unique to me.
Fabulous. And if someone was thinking about booking the retreat, what would you tell them?
Just do it. Just do it, because I think you'll get the space to create, space to look after you as well. I mean, this place, I was just saying to Karen, it feels like a home from home. I feel so comfortable here. Pat and Jane are just wonderful hosts. They're here all the time, but they're not here, if that makes sense. You can just wander in the kitchen and get a cup of tea when I want to. It's all comfortable. And there's lots of spaces to go to write, and then we can all come together and sort of celebrate or get stuck together and get each other out of it.
Fabulous. Thanks for sharing.